Today's video is brought to you by Kenny and Debbie. RV Life with K&D and the Adventures of Kenny and Debbie. A portion of today's video is paid by Debbie. The other portion is paid by Kenny. Our great sponsors. Alright, let's get to it. Welcome to today's episode of Cooking with Kenny. Today we have a Farmer John's Applewood smoked bacon. Alright, let's take this pork loin out to the smoker and see what we can do with it. Alright, I'm going to smoke this bad boy at 225 for about 3 hours. Let's get to it. Alright, got it covered up, going to go about 1 more hour. Got Mrs. P out here making sure I'm doing it right. What's it say, baby?
142.
142 and climbing?
Oh, yeah. It's going to be 150.
Yeah, 148, 150. 145 is the number, so should be good. Let's give it a taste test.
It's at 150 right now.
Yeah, let's do a slice.
Where at?
Right off the end there.
I cut the plastic.
Yeah.
Damn it.
That's what I did yesterday. Whew. Is it hot?
No. Not at all.
Pull that out. Let's see. Give me a bite. What do you think? Pretty good.
Take it out.
All right. How's that look? Tastes fantastic. Just waiting on my broccoli and some pasta and we're ready. Today's video is brought to you by the Adventures of Kenny and Debbie, formerly known as RV Life with K&D.
No, I got one right here.
Sponsored by Debbie and Kenny. There's Faith. Alright. There you have it. Let's get with it, guys. Alright. Got the broccoli there. Pork. Got some Italian noodles Debbie's whipping up. This is our nice little kitchenette that we made back here in the family room. We turned it into a kitchenette. Yep. This is our nice little home, huh, baby?
Yep.
We turned our little apartment in the back of the house.
Condo minimum.
Condo minimum. There you go. Yeah, we like to travel about 6 months out of the year at least. So one of our daughters and her kids are in the house, and we came back here in the apartment. And of course, we're attached to the backyard, so boom, right out the back door. All right, guys. Looks like it's about ready. We're gonna get with it. Give you a review in just a minute or 20. Okay, here's my review. Debbie's Italian noodles were most excellent. The broccoli was super good. I put some Velveeta cheese over that. And then as far as the pork loin goes, don't get any pre-seasoned meats from the grocery stores. Just get basic meats. Do your own seasoning, whether you want to do rub or whatever flavoring you want to put on it, salt, pepper, whatever. And leave that pre-seasoned stuff off. And other than that, it was excellent. I'm going to put a link in the description on our little date night and some Garage Talk Saturdays, episode 3. All right, check those out.